Almost didn't make it. Almost. Bump. Ooh, made me jump a little bit. Didn't expect that truck to be right there. Yeah, I was not expecting it. I didn't even hear it blow the horn down at altar. That was weird. I knew it'd be coming maybe today, but sometimes trains don't run on Wednesdays, so wasn't sure if it would or not. Scrambled to get my parrot into her cage. Quite a few center beams going back to LP. Ran out here in a t-shirt. It's probably okay, I guess. High 50s maybe. Moving a little faster than I thought. Normally they go a little slower. Maybe they've been given them a little higher speed to go. Or maybe they're in a rush. I don't know. I'm guessing if you guys stick around, I guess I'm gonna go home. Put a sweater on. Maybe I should tie my shoes. We'll jump in the car and follow this one a little bit. Go check out Iron Mountain. Always fun watching them come through there. And right now they're slowing down. There must be a bad section of track back behind Ace Hardware somewhere. So it sure seems like they really slow down at this point. Oh yeah, I just wanted to thank all of you new subscribers and past ones. I'm about 4,000 away from 100,000 subscribers, which I think is pretty cool. Yeah, I know. Doesn't seem like it's very hard anymore to get there, but I've been working pretty hard since 2007, so. Sending the glue north. Boy, if that one leaked, it sure would be a sticky situation, wouldn't it? All right. There's a line of cars to the left and one on the right. Standing right along Ludington. That's the road right here in front of me. Right next to the U.S. Post Office here in town. I figured this would be a better spot to sit rather than by the fire station where the squeaky rails are. Especially with the load of wood he's got on there. Pretty crazy that there's no train horns allowed, hey? Whoa. Huh. Whoa. No left turn. No left turn. Yeah, no way that I want to be by that intersection when that train goes around the curve. You guys know how loud it gets. Well, that was pretty cool. Guys, make sure to hit that thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, hit that share button, and make a comment below. What's your guess on when I'm going to hit 100,000 subscribers? Anybody want to take that guess? Put it in the comments.